Okay, today's topic, we will learn how to multiply any number with 5 mentally, an easy way as compared to the normal method. So, we have a very easy rule for this. So, we have two rules. If we are multiplying a odd number or a even number with 5. Let's take first if we are multiplying any even number with 5. So, for that the rule is even number multiplying with 5. So what is the method? You simply just half the number, make the number half the number, and and add 0 at the end, and add 0 at the end. So let's take an example. For example, we have number 8. It's even number. You are multiplying with 5. So what we are doing? Simply make the number 8 half. So 8's half is 4. Then you add 0 with it. That is the answer. So let's take another even number. For example, we have number 24 multiplied by 5. So what is the half of 24? Simply we will first take the half of 2. 2's half is 1. 4's half is 2. And then you add 0 with it. Easy. Okay, let's take another example. Odd number. We have number 46 multiplied by 5. So, what is the half of 46? Simply, what is half of 4? 2. What is the half of 6? 3. And then add 0. Answer. Let's take another example. Let's take example 34 by 5. So, now 34 is half. Little bit tricky for little children. So what we will do? We just make the half of 3. We can't make the half of 3 because 3 is an odd number. No? So what we will do? We will put one number smaller than 3. So 3 smaller is 2. So 2's half now. 2's half will be 1. And then 1 carryover will move to the next number because here we put the half of 2, not 3. So 1 is left. So that one go carry over to the next digit. So now 14's half. That is easy. 14's half is 7. And then you add 0 with it. That's the answer. Let's take one more example. Let's take one big example. We have number 5, 8, 6 multiplied by 5. So now, what will be the half of 5? We can't do it. So what we will do? We will put 4 on top of it. So 4's half, easy. And then 1 left over will go to move to the next digit. It becomes 18. So now 4's half is 2. 18's half is 9. 6 half is 3. And then you add 0 with it. That's it. Let's take one more example. If we have number 4, 6, 8, 2 multiplied by 5. 4's half is 2. 6 half is 3. 8's half is 4. 2's half is 1. Add 0 at the end. So quick as compared to the journal method by multiplying. Then you carry over to the next one. This way it's so easy. Okay, so now let's take another example where the number is odd. So now let's take odd numbers. If we are multiplying any odd number with 5, then same thing, we half the number. Instead of adding 0 at the end, we write down 5. Instead of adding, I will say write down. Write 5 at the end. That's easy. Okay, now let's take example of odd number. 7 multiplied by 5. So as I said, we can't make the half of 7, so we will write down half of 6. 6 half is 3, and at the end we will add 5. That is the answer. Let's take another example. 13 multiplied by 5. So 1's the half. There is 1. We can't make 1's a half. So we will put what is before 1? 0. So 0 the half is 0. This 1 will carry over 13. So 13's half is 6, because we can't make half of 13, so we will make half of 12. Okay, and then we will add 5 at the end. So answer is 65. Okay, one more example. 45 multiplied by 5. 4's half is 2. 5's half, we will write down 4's half, which is again 2, and then you write at the end 5. That is the answer. Let's take few more examples. 27 multiplied by 5. 2's half, 1. 7's half, we will write down 6 half, which is 3. Then you add 5 at the end. That's it. 15's easy again. You can directly write down the half of 14. 14's half is 7, and then write down 5 at the end. Answer. Okay. Let's take big numbers. 3, 4, 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 3's half, we can't make 3's half, so we will put 2 and 1 carry over here. So 2's half is 1. 14's half is 7. 7's half we can't, so we will do 6 half, which is 3, and then we put 5 at the end. That is the answer. Okay, let's take even bigger than that number. 1, 3, 6, 7, 9 multiplied by 5. Okay, 13's half, we will do 12's half. 12's half is 6, then 1 carry. 16 half. 16 half is 8. Then 7's half, we will do 6 half. 6 half is 3. Then number 19. 19's half, we will do 18's half, which is 9, and then we add 5 at the end. That's it. Easy. Simple. You just half the number, and if it's even number, we put 0 at the end. If it's odd number, we just put 5 at the end. That's it. That's the rule.